Hi everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a hair tutorial for you and product review. The Shark Hair Beauty Tool that's kind of supposed to be the dupe for the Dyson Airwrap. I got it for Christmas last year, I think, so I've been using it for the last while and I wanted to do a hair tutorial for you. I used the Kerastase Genesis shampoo and conditioner, which I've been using for the last couple months, and honestly, most hair products I start using don't make a noticeable difference. And I really was a bit reluctant, but these, maybe not all Kerastase products, I'm not sure, I've only used this Genesis line, but it really makes a difference in your hair in terms of fallout and having basically no damage and split ends. Since I've been using this, my hairdresser actually even made a comment on my hair, and it's always been like blonde, damaged, split ends falling out, and this time she's like, I can't even find a split end in your hair after 4 months. So amazing duo. It smells amazing and just feels good. It cleans my hair. I just put it up in this turban to kind of dry and get the moisture out, and then I'm going to take you through my styling routine and how I use that Shark tool on my hair. This is the Kerastase Thermite. So I just spray 4 sprays into my hair and then go throughout my hair, and I feel like this helps soften and make my hair a little easier to comb out, but it doesn't make it too heavy because again, my hair is fine and I don't like having unnecessary residue on it because then it just gets dirtier quicker. Lenore Grail Serum de Sublimateur helps make it even easier to brush out. So I just kind of like blot that into my hair. My hair is so tangly, so I just have to take my time doing this. My hair is mostly detangled. I just use like a wide tooth comb. This one's Lenore Grail, but lots of brands make them. I just find it's the most gentle. I'm gonna put some mousse in my hair to prep it for the style I'm gonna do. This is Lenore Grail Volumatrice, and I find using a mousse really helps with holding a style. I put it at the kind of where my part's gonna be to add some volume back here because I have a cowlick, and then I just kind of put the remainder on the rest of my hair. I'm gonna use the blow dry attachment and then flip this. The next attachment we're gonna go in with is the round one. The key with these kind of tools is to make sure you have tension because that adds shine and direction. So basically what I'm doing with this round attachment is just drying the roots and kind of adding some tension and pulling away, but I'm trying to leave my ends slightly damp. When I go in with those little curling attachments, I find it helps curl and keep the curl better. I'm gonna take the one that says left on it and start doing my left side. You can see like this hair piece right here, this is new hair. It was broken. So that's how well this stuff works, is somehow it's just not breaking. This is the best growth serum for hair that I've tried, and I've tried several and I just didn't get much results. It's very expensive. I think it's almost $100 Canadian, but it works. I just kind of put a bit along my scalp because that's more prone to breakage, close to my face. Kind of run it along. We're nice and curled and volumized on that side, and then I'll move on to this side. So I have to switch sides now. And then we'll just go with the top layer. I'm gonna apply a serum here. Done with that. So that side is curled and looking great. I'm gonna finish up with styling. I'm gonna finish this side and then go through with finishing touches, styling products. The hard work is done. Spray a little bit of hairspray on my hand and rub it into my scalp. It kind of locks in that hair in that direction we just did. Apply some to this brush. And I'm done styling. I'm so happy with how it turned out. That's how I've been using the Shark Beauty hair tool. That's kind of the dupe for the Dyson. I haven't got to try the Dyson yet, but I do want to try it. But this is the Blowout gorgeous look. How I style my hair from shower to out the door, basically. And we are back now that we've used our Shark Flexstyle. I showed you how I use it in my hair routine on a day where I wash my hair and style it, and all of the products that I'm loving I got to show you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions for me, as always, I love to hear from you in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to me here at holl_ward on YouTube. I post every single Thursday with a full premiere video, and I post daily with shorts, keeping you up with what I'm doing, what I'm wearing, little snippets into my life. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle over there at holl_ward. I would love to have you over there. I share a lot of my beauty, fashion looks over there. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.